Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll learn how to add collection on Facebook. So if you want to go ahead and try to add in a collection on your Facebook account, then you're on to the right guide. So for us to be able to do this, first things first is to open the Facebook app onto your device. So once you have opened that, you need to make sure that you're logged in as well onto your account. So once you're already logged in, here onto your account, onto the bottom part of the screen, you'll just need to click onto your profile. So once you're already onto your profile, click onto your name in there, and you'll get redirected onto your profiles page. So if you've noticed, there's a three dots onto the middle part of it, just simply click onto that, and you should be able to see archive. So click onto archive for that, and then click onto story archive. Now to add in a collection, you'll just need to simply choose the photo that you want to go ahead and add. So for example, this one, we're going to click onto that. Onto the upper part of the screen, there is a heart icon. So we're just going to simply click onto that. And then this should add the photo as a highlight. So you could add in a title for that one. So let's name this collection. Click onto done, and you could add more by clicking onto this and choosing the other photos. So for example, this one, and then we're going to click onto done. Click onto done again, and that should create the collection onto your device. So you should be able to see that collection onto your profile. So let's head back in here, and if you go ahead and refresh it, you should be able to see the collection onto your profile displayed. And that's just basically it onto how to add collection on Facebook. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.